really happy to be able to bring you guys this video. We've actually been trying to record this for the past week, but we've just kind of been busy. But finally, we were able to...
chance, and we're going to show you guys
the new car.
a new car.
Yeah. So without further ado, enjoy. So, this is our car. Hope you guys enjoy it because we definitely enjoy it. This is a 2020 Corolla. The color is like blue steel, blue metallic.
We just recently got it. Fits us really well. There's a car that Matthew Grayson's gonna be growing up in, basically. So yeah, it does have a lot of room. It's really spacious. It doesn't seem like it, but it does. Especially the trunk space, which we really needed because obviously we do have a baby. We need to put his stroller and a bunch of other things inside, which you guys saw that we do have a stroller in there and we have some bags and stuff. So it fits everything well, and there's still extra space for us as well. The back seat is really like spacious. It's really big. So having a car seat in the back, having a baby in the back, it's perfect for him. It doesn't feel too tight or too cramped or anything. The front is even more spacious. I feel like we're using that word a lot, but it's just
the whole vehicle is spacious. That's all you need to know. It's a lot of space.
Yes. So this is what the front basically looks like. Right here we have our little air fresheners that we all put in because we like the car to smell good. On the door here we have obviously everything for the window, and then these are for the side mirrors. We have a little screen right there. We have 139 miles in the car, and it just shows you everything. On the wheel, these are for like the volume. There's to talk, there's all your phone things basically. There's for your radio things. This one right here, it's for the lanes. Like let's say you're swerving into another lane and you don't notice, this will start to beep on the car. It'll start to beep to basically like notify you that you're going into a different lane. And then this one, those lanes up there, once you set this one, it's set to, let's say you wanted one car like space, it'll give you that much amount of space, so basically you won't have to worry about braking and things like that. Or it also, if you're coming too close to a car within that certain space, then it'll also beep for that. Now, the screen, it's 8-inch screen. We have it right in the center. So here's all your buttons, home, menu, things like that. Over here, we have for the music, for your phone and your apps. once you connect to the car, it obviously shows you your phone and everything. The car does have like Apple CarPlay and all those things. Here, there's obviously all the stuff for the AC. You can set basically like the temperature you want, like right there it's at 61, 62, or if you go below 60, it'll just go to low. But yeah, usually have it either a 60 or 61. And then right here, this one shows like how much power you want for the air. And yeah, these are all the basic things. We have sport mode, it's just a button. And then right here, instead of having like an actual parking brake, you just have this button. And every time you go in park, it automatically turns on, so you don't have to worry about it. This one is really cool. You hold this button down like when you're in a drive-thru or something, and it basically just stops the car for you, so you can take your foot off the brake and stuff and grab your food, grab your drinks, things like that. And then once you're ready to move again, you just hold it again and go. Here we have our cup holders, our dirty cup holders. And then this actually, how'd you do it last time?
Slide it forward.
Oh. This slides forward, and then this pulls up. You have like a small compartment here, but it's big enough to fit everything. And right here you can put your charger, or you can connect the thing. Yeah. Or there's also another one down there to charge also, and to connect to the car. And I think that's for the aux right there. The inside is like all soft. It's all a soft material. We don't know exactly what it is because it's not leather specifically, but yeah.
We've also been thinking of tinting our windows, so if you guys want to tell us how dark you guys think would look good on the car, since it is a light color, we don't really know how dark exactly we should make the windows.
Yeah, because as you can see, they're not tinted, and it's just
clear. Everyone can see what you're doing. Hold on, just give me a sec. So this right here is to move the seats forward. So in case you really need that much space in the trunk, these will go down and everything will slide basically all the way up to here. Comes with a cup holder. I can't exactly open it all the way right now, but pretty simple but useful. And your standard lights. And your lights over here. Here in the mirror.
So with these two lights, you can turn them on with this button, or this one. If you push this one, every time the door is open, the lights will turn on. These are basically just to turn on one or the other. That's like an SOS button. Let's say like you're in an accident or something happens, you can always pull that, and that will notify like any nearby either police or the fire department. The car also has 8 airbags. Whenever the car detects a speed limit sign, it'll basically show up on here, and once you go over like that speed limit, the little sign starts turning red because of the fact that you're going over it and stuff, so it notifies you exactly your speed. Okay, so we have a phone connected right now. So it basically shows you everything that is on your phone. Music. Oops, songs.
Yeah, don't show those songs.
Oh yeah.
Don't expose me. Oh, political people.
So that's pretty much it for the car tour.
Yeah, that brings us to the end of this video, unfortunately.
We hope you guys enjoyed, and we hope you guys like it. We really like it.
Yeah, we hope that you guys enjoy this video, at least as much as we enjoy this part. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. Like, comment, subscribe.
And
see you guys later.
next time.
Yeah.